morning everyone. I've got very exciting news for you. Here at JSC we are celebrating Black Friday weekend. From Friday morning, the exact time zones will be above this video or below this video. I don't know, but you will find it. So from Friday morning, very Friday morning, just after midnight, till the end of Monday, CET, Central European Time, we are offering you 20% off for everything in our shop. Entire collection, everything. From warships, passenger ships, architecture, aircraft, to laser cut parts and tools such as our favorite UV glue. Now is the perfect time to stock up on your favorites. Choose your Christmas presents. Treat yourself. You can get a lot of models and still not paying astronomical prices. All you have to do is enter the code BF20 at the checkout when completing your order and press button add next to the code. That's all you have to do. That's all from me for now. Happy shopping. Bye!